Ethan. Ethan. Ethan.
Thank you for the gift of life and giving us the who made our elementary years worth remembering. Lord, now as we go to another journey, we ask for your enlightenment to greater knowledge and help us understand the deeper and ultimate meaning of our life.
You're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid that maybe you thought you were above me, that I was only fooling myself to think you loved me, that none of that.
Fabian, Stephen, Isaac,
Teka.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me.
Pledge of Loyalty. We, the graduates of Children of Light Foundation Incorporated,
Listen. Ganun, no?
for the school year 2010-2011, do solemnly pledge our loyalty to our alma mater and to uphold and live up to its ideals. Likewise, we pledge our love and loyalty
Sige.
to our parents and teachers, under whose sacred guidance and parental solicitude, have elevated us to our present state of life. Lastly, we do solemnly promise to keep our faith in God, ever alive with our good work.
Tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Tolentino Isabel Ruiz G.
Kanya yan.
Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy after 10 days before I met you? But when I let you,
Takulsan Michael Robin B.
copies. Thank you. Pwede na po kayong mag-class. Tingnan natin.
Ayun. Jason Hi. Galing kami sa graduation.
Huwag na ang galawin mo. Nawal na ako.
Oh.
Ay, nako, yung daddy, taranta. Nagkukuha ng picture, di naman kumukuha yung isa, nakaumang pa rin. Natatawa ko sa iyo.
Bakit?
Dala-dala yung camera, isa lang naman yung gumag.
Hindi, yung isa video, isa ka picture. Sabay yun, dalawa.
Natatawa ko eh. Akala ko ate graduation na kanino. Sige, paano?
Anong year mo na ba? Ito pala.
Grade 6 na pala yung nag-graduate na yun.
Tingnan mo yung sa likod mo.